my name is Jason. Today I am going to talk about problems with using drones. There are good things for using drones. For example, drones can fly, rescue people, and deliver. But there are problems with using drones. First, there is a problem with sound. When hundreds of drones are flying in the sky, then the city will be very noisy. Second, there is a problem with privacy. When someone is watching me by drones, then I will be very uncomfortable. Lastly, drones can carry dangerous things. When some drone is carrying dangerous things and crash to another drone and dangerous things will falling down, and someone is walking the road and crash with people, then the people will be hurt. So there are good things for using drones like deliver, fly, rescue people, but because of carrying dangerous things, privacy and sound, so I think drone is dangerous. Thank you for listening.